Earning money by driving for Uber in the United States involves becoming a driver partner on the Uber platform and providing rides to passengers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started and maximize your earnings. 1. Meet the requirements. You must be at least 21 years old. You must have a valid driver's license, a social security number, and at least 1 year of driving experience. Your vehicle should meet Uber's requirements, which can vary by vehicle type and region. Generally, it should be in good condition, have 4 doors, and meet the minimum year requirements. 2. Sign up. Download the Uber Driver app from the App Store. Create an account and complete the application process. This includes submitting required documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, insurance, and a profile photo. 3. Vehicle inspection. Depending on your location, your vehicle may need to pass an inspection. Uber provides information on approved inspection locations. 4. Background check. Uber will conduct a background check, including criminal and driving record checks. Approval is necessary to become an Uber driver. 5. Set up your schedule. You have the flexibility to choose when you want to drive. You can drive part-time or full-time, depending on your availability. 6. Accept ride requests. Once approved, log in to the Uber Driver app whenever you're ready to drive. You'll receive ride requests from nearby passengers. You can choose to accept or decline each request. 7. Provide excellent service. Drive safely and professionally. Create a comfortable and pleasant experience for passengers. Follow navigation instructions to reach destinations efficiently. 8. Maximize earnings. Utilize surge pricing. Drive during peak demand times when prices are higher due to increased demand. Participate in promotions. Uber often offers bonuses and incentives for drivers who complete a certain number of trips within a specified time frame. Keep your vehicle clean and well maintained. Providing a clean and safe environment is crucial for passenger satisfaction. 9. Earn and get paid. Uber calculates fares based on factors like time and distance. You'll earn a percentage of the fare, and passengers can also tip you. Uber pays drivers weekly through direct deposit. 10. Stay informed. Regularly check the Uber Driver app for updates, promotions, and important communications.